They told me everybody's speaking to you and it's in a different time zone. And since I had it at the moment.
Alpha, I didn't hear you. How do now they greet? Good evening. Put your hands together for OK Vacancy. It's not easy. 25 years on stage. When I did in school, I did watch OK for TV. Now my children in school, we still they watch OK for TV. So you see, in this country, people know they retire. If you retire, you are hungry. It's true. Backstage, some comedians they argue just and say, Buhari need to step down so that the youth can take over. I said, quiet. OK, don't step down. We don't grow committee for the stage where we watch for TV. Why not step down? Ali Baba, king of comedy, 30 years. What did they do? Ali Baba not feature wake up one day say, well, we hold this crown, just be king of comedy. Ali Baba do comedy. Ali Baba can't retire some years ago, say he retired from stage, it's not performing again. So when he come the sweet us. Only God know waiting and listen for the retirement way he go. Now reach 2 years, he come back. We say, bros, he don't come back. We say, not be okay being mate. Okay, not retire, why you go retire? I said, but this king of comedy, you for just to leave the crown. He said, Buhari was president 30 years ago, came back 30 years later. Became president, so he remains the king of comedy. We said, okay, no problem. So all of us now, we are doing it together. Maybe my children will meet us. You know, you never can tell. But you see, if there's any comedian, I understand why he's still doing comedy. After 25 years, it's OK Vacancy. Because amongst all of us, now only OK, full family, they stay Canada. Only one day, the children born there, raised there. Now only OK be Nigeria for a family. When you feel sorry for OK, you don't change plenty naira to dollars before. Like this. Let me OK the buzzle up. That's why OK does not do free show for anybody. When you call OK across and they do my show, you go say, okay, waiting there for fuel. You know, say the aviation fuel at the back. If I'm not flying, I'm not to see my children. We'll find something put together. So when OK come call me for this show, I say, fine. It's not be my show, mind the date, every time. I said, no problem, bros, waiting there for fuel. He said, you need fuel to come my show. I said, bros, in a PMS that they use. You use aviation fuel, I use PMS. I need to go home. Say, where are your children? I said, I'm Nigerian now. As you they fly, go me and they drive. Go home. So that's why we came here today, shake body, put hand for pockets. The time we were happy for OK, when they always have people for show, come as a boss, talk to us, sit down, advise us. Now here how I reach. When you travel, it's very humble. To the children, to the wife. I don't hear OK they shout one day for phone, stop! Now because it's in Nigeria, there, OK is the house husband. Wife goes to work, take care of the children, cook, read bedtime story. You know? Humble. But when we first happy for OK and when he gets appointment as special advisor to the governor of Imo State on entertainment, we say OK don't hammer. You know, but you not can't take for the job. It be like say you don't understand the portfolio. We go to give the lecture. We need to make entertainment from age 8 to 14, we must teach it. Then we build institutions, then they look at. Now the governor come and say, I say you don't know why. When we don't discuss politics, when tension, they just dey crack joke. Entertain us. Let me cannot take for that word because entertainment and politics, two horrible things to come together. So, comedians they try basically, long story short. So they do jokes, so they make money, they born children. Teddy Babyface just had twins. Yeah, Adoro just had twins. Some 3 weeks ago we discovered, say, clean the truck, had a baby. But not being wife born her. It happened. My wife, they wreck. How can Clint do this? Why did he do this? And they looked at her. I want to know. I'm asking you, why did he do this? I said, he was drunk. You know, say, if one entertain an error, all of us they enter trouble. But they ask us like say, now we. My wife called the rape. I can't believe Clint drunk did this. So this is what you people do. Just have children everywhere, sleep with different rape. The thing frustrate me. I don't sleep to the thing. So this one, when I don't shout to you, you know how much for adultery? You think adultery is cheap? Toast the girl, take her out to dinner, do some shopping, give her some money, book hotel, she travel, you buy flight ticket, she go back in 1 month, like 800,000 don't go. She said, I say no. I said, Clint, tell me. Safety first. And Clint, when you get caught, is you. The Clint girl published the charts, everything. You know how many coded men start to call? Baby, I hope you are deleting our chat. Say, no, you mean the chat of last week? You still have it. Not just last week, since the 2 years from the first one. Baby, you have to delete it, you know, for my reputation. What reputation? You know they call me king of comedy, delete it. Anyway, if we must say the truth, Clint mess up. Yes, you mess up. Don't do that. Your wife is in Nigeria, yeah. You lose guard. Had the baby outside. That's why I like OK Bakassi. The wife is in Canada. You don't lose guard because they use is a responsible family man. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
You see, I saw this voice of you. Let me move your person clear.